Hi guys, this is a video about how to replace your coolant of Sonata Hybrid 2012. As I mentioned on my previous video, today is the day of the showing. You can replace coolant every time you want it, but in general, most of cars replace it in every 2 years. And my car was up to date. Before I start, so I ran to the dealership and grabbed this genuine coolant from the maker and distilled water for dilute. Most common is 50-50 ratio, but you can cook your own ratio by looking at this chart. This is what it looks like. 50% of coolant, 50% of distilled water. Now we're gonna go flush coolant from the radiator. This time I'm using cleanser for better cleaning. And how to use this one, just pour in the reservoir, then dry for hours or days. Ta-da! Time to check it out. To get access to drain plug, you have to unscrew the covers from the bottom. So I just removed the cover to get better access, and when it's a drain, it's gonna be nasty. Yep, one in very bottom. Here. I'm sorry to tell you that I forgot to mention it ahead of time, that when you're working on cooling system, make sure the engine is cooled down. So open up thermostat and you'll make it drain more. After that, put drain plug back in and add in water, run a little bit, and repeat this procedure until it gets clear. And I just wanted to show you the difference between an old one, which is this one. It's just a little greenish. And the other one, this one is after the flush. So you see a little brown out there, and that's what it was in the line. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my video and this will work out for you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and have a great day.